Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Savita and today's topic is about pyramid, how to make it, and this can be used for healing, manifesting our wishes, meditation, abundance, prosperity. We all know about the power and energy of pyramid, and pyramids are made in natural materials like brass, crystal, glass, wooden, money pyramid like this. Okay, I will show you how you can make a simple pyramid with paper, which is powerful and effective too, and it will give you the same benefits. Okay, this is made of handmade paper and it is easily available in any stationery shop. Okay, size of the paper you can take as per your wish, how big or small pyramid you want to make. Okay, so take a paper and first fold it into half. Okay, touch the corners properly and then again fold it into half like this. Okay, then we touch the opposite corners of the paper like this, and then these two corners we will touch. Okay, and now from this point here you will fold the paper like this. Okay, and from this point here you will fold the paper like this. Okay, so now you see these two triangles formed here. So from this point you will fold it like this once, and here you will fold it like this once to get the edge. Okay, and now you will join this both like this, and this part we will fold it inside completely like this. Okay, same way for this triangle we will fold it like this, and this full we will push it inside, and your pyramid is ready. Okay, now you can stick this inside with a glue if you want, or you can keep it as it is. Okay, do not staple it, you can stick it with a gum. So now you have your pyramid, which is effective and powerful as any other pyramid available in the market, and similarly you can make a money pyramid also. Okay, same way you can take a money note and make a pyramid like this. I'll make a separate video on how to use for healing, wish manifestation, and if you have any doubt, please write it in the comment section, and for more such videos subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless you all.